Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna do another video tutorial about the source code of ICODE channel PAID source. So I'll make this video for those who bought
the source and those who have a source
code like this, especially to all my clients. Because today, I will teach you on how to modify this source correctly so that you can create a VPN apps as much as you can, or you can save this source code, and it's up to you how to use this source. But before we start, if you are just new to my YouTube channel and if you want to watch this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon so that you will be notified of my future videos. Okay, so this is the application. This is the interface of ICODE channel. Okay, so I'll explain you guys what's this ICODE channel source. ICODE channel source is a pure OVPN base that have inject and SSL TLS and direct method. So all of these guys, all this method is working 100% in your wherever you are, guys, as long as you know the setup, the bug host, or any tricks that you have, and also the working server. Okay, so you can use this ICODE channel source. Okay, so we offer to develop also VPN application and also admin panel for your VPN business. And this application, this ICODE channel source or ICODE channel application, is good for paid VPN purposes. Okay, so if you want to own a VPN like this, if you want to own a VPN that have a panel, a working panel, so that you can seal also VPN accounts for your clients. Okay, so as your business, guys. Okay, so now before we start, okay, so this is the first thing we will do, the modification of this ICODE channel. Okay, so we need to change the name, second, and the package name, followed by the icon and theme color, and so on, as long as we have the time to do it. Okay, so let's start. So we will modify this ICODE channel. Okay, so this is how easy to modify this paid source, this ICODE channel source. Okay, so now open the AD tool, this one, and then okay, so click the go to, then strings.xml. Okay, this one ICODE channel, or you can direct search by clicking this three dots, then find a project. You can direct search here the name ICODE channel. Alright, ICODE channel. Okay, so you can replace all the ICODE channel name inside the application, inside the VPN app. Okay, so let's try to open this inside the strings. Okay, so we need to change this into let's try ᴅᴏᴇ VPN Plus. Okay, this is the name I want to replace from ICODE channel into ᴅᴏᴇ VPN Plus. Okay, so copy the new name and then replace everything in the result. Alright, so we're done replacing all the name inside this source code. Okay, so next is we need this encryptor. This tool, we can convert ticks into bytes. Okay, so as you can see, the name is ICODE. Sorry, ᴅᴏᴇ VPN Plus. Okay, let's convert it into bytes. Then copy these bytes and then go back to the AD. Okay, let's click go to, open VPN client, and let's find the byte string inside the source. So as you can see, this string line, this line, this is the line for the bytes, and this bytes for the name of the VPN. Okay, so we will replace the new bytes name. Okay, so we're done. So after that, let's try to build. And let's see what happened to why this build. And again, if you are willing to own a VPN app or a source code just like this one, you can message me directly on WhatsApp or Telegram, or you can email me directly at ICODE-ph95@gmail.com. Okay, so let's try to install from ICODE channel into ᴅᴏ VPN Plus. Okay, so we need to uninstall the new the old one before we install the new one. Alright, so let's open. Okay, so we successfully changed the name. So as you can see, guys, in the header, the ICODE channel, let's try to change this into, I don't know, inside the main layout. Okay, so go back here in this ISRC folder, main, and the res, and let's find the layout folder. Okay, so open the main.xml. This is the main layout of the VPN. Okay, so let's try to change this into ᴅᴏ VPN. ᴅᴏ, then plus. Alright, so we're done, guys. So we're done for changing the name. So now, guys, let's proceed to the package name. So we need to change the package name, right? Okay, so open this build.grid file. So as you can see, there's an application ID. So we need to change the package name. Okay, so let's do this and follow me, guys. ᴅᴏ Plus. Alright, so save this after you change the package name. Okay, so this is the next. Again, click 3 dots and more, project, then refresh build. Again, to all my clients who have a source code like this, just follow my video tutorial so that you can modify this source code easily without any errors. By watching this video, you can learn a lot for modification, especially basic. The most important is basic modification, guys, because if you have a knowledge by changing the name, the package name, and then the theme or the icon, it's like the logo, so you can customize the VPN application, the VPN source code, and you can create your own VPN application. Okay, so as you can see, guys, there's 616 errors, and all these, guys, is all about the package name because we changed the application ID inside the build.grid, and then after that we do refresh build. I mean, we did a refresh build so that the source will pop up, or so that we encounter this error, 616 errors. Okay, so let's try to change, or let's do change all these errors. I mean, all this package name. So just click. Okay, so copy that one. Then we need to change this one by one, or click the file one by one. Okay, so change this. So alright guys, we're done changing the package name or the package name. Alright, so let's try to build again, and let's see what happened to our let's see what happened to the ICODE channel app. Alright guys, we successfully changed the name and the package name of the ICODE channel source or ICODE channel app. Okay, and this is the new ICODE channel from ICODE channel into ᴅᴏ VPN Plus. Okay, so let's proceed to the next by changing the theme and the icon. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go back to the ID application. Go to colors.xml. Okay, so this is how easy to change the theme color. Only this colors.xml. Alright, so let's try to build again. Alright, so we're done for changing the theme color. Okay, so ᴅᴏ VPN Plus or ᴅᴏ Plus. Okay, so let's try to change the logo icon. Okay, so let's go back here, then open the slider layout. The name. Okay, so you can see in the splash, you can select that one, change, and then add a new photo or a new icon. And then open file manager, then find the source code. Okay, so this is the main icon, this IC launcher. Let's find another folder. Let's check if there's another icon inside. Alright, so no other name, no other icon. So now let's do this. I don't know. More project, then refresh build.